This tutorial shows teachers how to make seating charts. The More Seating Charts screen is where you make your seating charts. At first, your students will be in dashed outlines, which means they have not been placed yet. Click and drag a student in order to place them. If you drop a student on top of another, they switch places. Double-click to add an empty seat. You can then drag students onto the empty seat. Single-click an empty seat to remove it. You can drag a seat into the margins to expand the seating chart. Click Copy if you have the same desk arrangement in any of your other classes. You can click Shuffle to randomly move every student to a new seat. If your administrator has uploaded student photos, you can click Show Photos. If you have multiple classes in the same period, like Art 1 and Art 3 during third period, you can check this checkbox to combine both classes on the same seating chart. On the Roll screen, you can click this button to take attendance by seating chart. See the attendance tutorial for details. You can also enter grades on the seating charts, like homework checks. Go to Grades, Seats. Select the assignment from the menu. The Quick Scores menu lets you enter custom scores by clicking instead of typing, which is especially handy on tablets. Select Custom for details. Otherwise, simply enter the student's score by the seating chart. When you have a substitute teacher, your administrator can print your seating charts and lesson plans for your sub. See the tutorial on substitute teachers.